In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom property in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, navigate to your property settings, configure a new property, and make sure it behaves the way you expect. Start by heading to your HubSpot login page and signing in. If you use Google for authentication, choose Sign In with Google and pick your account. If your organization uses another method, just log in as you normally would. Once you're in, open your profile menu in the top right, then select Profile and Preferences. From there, look for the Properties section. This is your control center for everything related to the data fields you track across your CRM. Click Create Property, then choose Create Manually. This gives you full control over what you're building. First, enter a clear, human-friendly property label. Pick something your team will instantly understand because this label is what users will see throughout HubSpot. Next, select the object type the property belongs to, such as contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or a specific category your account uses. For example, you might attach this to a subscription-related object if you're tracking plan details. Choose the property group to keep things organized and easy to find later. Add a description that explains when and how the field should be used. This small note prevents confusion and drives consistent data entry across your team. Now click Field Type and select the format that matches the data you want to capture. As an example, let's pick Drop-Down Select. This is perfect when you want standardized choices. Type in your first option, then click Add Option to create the next one. Continue adding options until you've covered all the values your team needs. Keep option names short, distinct, and mutually exclusive so users don't have to guess. If you plan to report on these values, think ahead about the categories you'll need. Use Preview to see exactly how your dropdown will look and behave. Click through the choices to confirm the order makes sense and that none of the options are redundant. This is a great moment to catch typos, clarify wording, or adjust the sequence to surface the most common selections first. When everything looks good, click Create. Your new custom property is now available to use in records, forms, lists, workflows, and reports. If you need to refine it later, like adding another drop-down option or updating the description, you can always return to the Properties area and edit it. That's it, you've successfully created a custom property in HubSpot CRM.